how you can create an USPS account. Now, USPS is US Postal Service, and it provides mails and deliveries to US businesses and individuals. So I'll teach you guys how you can create an account. So the first thing is just opening up the official link. Just go to usps.com and let it load. Now while it loads, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now after this loads, what you'll need to do is you'll need to go to this section right here. It says register and sign in. Tap on it, and after you click on it, it will take you to this section right here. Now since you don't have an account, we'll have to sign up now. So tap on sign up now. Now it will take its time. So after that, here you can see you will need to choose an language preference and a username. Just choose a username. Let us do that. After you do that, you will need to pick a password. Make sure that you pick a really strong password. And after you do that, just retype that password again. Now after you do that, what you'll have to do is scroll down till you see the first security questions, and just type in the security questions. Now this will help you recover your account if you don't have one. I mean, when you just lose the access to your first account. And after that, select the type of account you would like to create. Now you can select a personal account or a business account. For this video, let's just go with the personal type. And after you do that, just select name. Now here you can type in your name, type in your title, select your title, and type in your name. Type in your first name, and type in your email address too. Now make sure that you type in your correct mail address. I'm just gonna do a very random email, and you will need to retype it again right here. Okay, so there is a mistake. So again, after doing so, what you'll have to do is type in your phone number. I'm just typing in random numbers, guys. Now you can type in your mobile number too, and it's optional, so you might not want to do that. And after that, you need to type in your middle initial if you have one, and a last name. Now, after you do that, select a suffix. If you have one, it's not compulsory. And after doing that, you will need to enter your address. Now, after you enter your address, you will verify your address, and you will have created your account. So it's pretty simple, guys, and that is all for the video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.